Today, I'm feeling excited, I'm feeling nervous, and I'm feeling really loved and supported from all of my family. It's been a long time coming. A lot of blood, sweat, and tears literally went into this degree, the time in lab, and all of the writing, but I wouldn't have it any other way. I'm so glad that I met the people that I met and established all of the social outings for my cohort and everything with the party planning committee, and that was fun. We'll leave a legacy. The highlight of my program was by far meeting the people in my cohort, meeting people that otherwise I would have never met. Wake prepared me for my next step by giving me opportunities that I wouldn't have had anywhere else and giving me the research experience that I didn't get in undergrad. Some advice for incoming students would be do all of the things, try everything. You never know what you're gonna like until you do it, so it's important to figure out what you want to do and just try new things.